Welcome to the introductory video 2 for the Warehouser open source project. This video is intended for software developers interested in learning how Warehouser can simplify and enhance the development of warehouse management systems, or WMSs. In the previous video, we demonstrated how to download, install, and configure the Warehouser software. If you have not seen that video, we provide a link in the description below. Warehouser is published at github.com/warehouser/warehouser and is offered under the Apache 2.0 license. It is developed using the Python programming language and the Django web development framework. It is assumed you are familiar with both these technologies, but if not, we provide some useful links in the description of this video where you can find more information and access their broad community for support. In this video, we will explore the Warehouser design strategy and key features. Warehouser has two kinds of models, what we call definition or def models and instance models. Each definition model has a corresponding instance model. Definition models contain a subset of data members in common with the instance model, which are used to supply default values when creating instance objects. Instance objects may only be created using the corresponding definition object's createInstance method. Definition objects should be treated as immutable. In this way, Warehouser does not force developers to adhere to a preset of entities, but rather offers freedom to dynamically define entities using the definition models. Warehouser provides three kinds of instance models: warehouses, products, and events. A warehouse is a container which may contain other warehouses and may have custody over products. Note that this may include entities such as forklifts, conveyor belts, robots, or even persons. A product is any object you wish to track entering, being stored in, or leaving a warehouse. From the perspective of Warehouser, the physical universe is described entirely with warehouses and products. An event is a data structure that describes a change to a warehouse or product. So the three definition instance model pairs are warehouse defs and warehouses, product defs and products, and event defs and events. Both definition and instance models provide an optional, searchable, and editable options JSON field for arbitrary data, as well as an optional schema JSON field for validating the options field value. Both definition and instance models provide a callback feature that allows you to define custom code for pre- and post-processing of various methods without needing to override the model classes. Instance models have a parent-child relationship to allow for nesting or containing objects of their own model kind. So warehouses may nest in other warehouses, products in other products, and events in other events. All auto-generated primary key ID values are in UUID version 4 format. These always take the form of a random sequence of 32 hexadecimal characters separated by 4 dashes into 5 groups of 8 characters, 4 characters, 4 characters, 4 characters, and 10 characters long, for a total of 36 characters. Now we will explore the REST services. In its most basic application, Warehouser is essentially a database with some exposed REST service APIs. These REST services are all protected with token-style authorization. It is recommended to use the headers displayed here with each REST service call replacing the user token with the user's assigned token value. We will demonstrate this shortly. Also note, all URLs require a trailing slash. But for now, let's explore the available Warehouser REST Service API endpoints for definition models. To create a definition object, you use the post method against the /API /model name /endpoint. To read definition objects, you use the get method against the /API /model name /endpoint. To read a specific definition object, you can append an ID / at the end. It is best practice to treat definition objects as immutable and not to update or delete them. However, if you must, then to update a definition object, you use the patch or put method against the same endpoints. And to delete a definition object, you use the delete method. These endpoints require an ID / to be specified. There is no update all or delete all endpoint. The definition models have a special extra endpoint to create instance objects. These endpoints take the form of post method to /API /def model name /ID of the definition object /do_spawn. So in summary, the definition model endpoints are like so. And for example, here are the event-def REST API endpoints. To read, update, and delete instance objects, the API endpoints take a similar format to the definition API endpoints. Again, there is no create or post method allowed towards the instance endpoints, and you should refer to the appropriate definition object's post doSpawn endpoint. And for example, using the events case, those endpoints look like this. This concludes the design strategy of Warehouser. In the next video, we will put all this theory into practice and create a demonstration warehouse management system. Remember to please like and subscribe and hit the bell to receive all notifications. And happy warehousing!